Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technologies. This is an upgrade of our previous series video that we have created. That is Microsoft Teams GPT 4.0 enabled chatbot with data. And while creating the series, we were having some issues when we were trying to upload the documents. Sometimes it would upload, sometimes it will fail. So we fixed this issue in our latest version of this chatbot. And along with that, I have also upgraded this version by adding multiple documents that you can upload at a time. Microsoft Teams supports 10 documents at a time. So you can choose to upload documents in batches of 10. Okay. So I'll quickly give you the uh, demonstration plus what changes we have made. So to fix the issue of uploading the document, but it was not recognizing. So we commented this out. Basically, we are not calling this first step, intro step. And on the last step, we are just ending the dialog instead of replace dialog. Okay. That would fix the issue of uploading the document and it will recognize each and every time. Even if you message as well, even if you upload the document, both. Okay. Now, one check I haven't done, like checking all the files um, along with their extension. I'm just checking the first file and checking its extension if it is PDF or a image file. Then based on that, I'm doing thing. Well, if you want, you can check each and every file and take the action. So on the process dialog, since this attachments is an array, previously we were getting only one attachment from the step context.activity. Now we are getting all the attachments which user upload, and we are running in a for loop. We are saving all the files to our blob storage, and finally once we save everything, we are calling our indexing process. So let's see this in action. All right, so let's see. Let's say hi. Okay. Yeah, it would have sent me a welcome message, but that's fine. I sent hi initially. All right. So let's ask something. Well, I'm already connected to an index, so I'll not ask that. I'll directly show you uploading the documents. Basically, I'm uploading invoices. Let's see how it is going to behave. These are all dummy invoices that I created with different values and dates. Let's upload them. Okay. So now it is running in a loop and it is saving everything in my blob storage. Well, you can always format this messaging. It's just a test chatbot just to show you how things are done. So now the final message is your documents are being indexed. Please wait for some time before you can start chatting with your documents. So if I open the indexing process, here it started reading the documents using form recognizer, or the new name is document intelligence. So we are using pre-built read model. So it has created 10 chunks. It's a small document, so nothing huge. So all the 10 chunks has been uploaded successfully. Now I can start interacting with the bot or with my data. Let's start a new conversation. I'll say new. New is the keyword that we have predefined in our bot that will reset the conversation, or basically it will, yeah, that will reset the conversation for the user. Currently, this particular chatbot has single conversation. We do not maintain the history of previous conversation. So it's like you come in, have conversation, reset it, have conversation. It's brand new every time. Okay, let's start. What is the invoice value for September 2024? Okay, there you see. What is its date? There it is. So the invoice for September 2024 was generated on 2110. Perfect. So it remembers my state, basically history of conversation for this particular conversation. If I set new, right, so it will delete my previous conversations from the database. All right. So let's say, what is the total amount for all the invoices? Please sum up. Okay. So it has given me some amount. Well, the thing is, it always requires you to change some of the parameters of your Azure OpenAI. Currently, it is set for retrieving 5 documents. That's the reason it is only getting the top 5 documents. If you say like retrieve top 10 documents, then yes, it will. Then in that case, you will see that it will come up the summation of all your invoices. Okay. So max documents that can be retrieved is 20, but let's say you can filter that out based on your queries or prompts that you pass. All right. So what I can ask, I think this is a quick one. And images, you already know. Currently this particular chatbot has the capability of describing your images. If you upload an image directly, then it will describe it. Okay, that's all. I think it's a upgrade of our previous series with few fixes, and I'll be uploading this chatbot to our shop portal. This is from where you can buy our source code. So Teams GPT, let me see, where is that sample? And this is a sample. Yeah. Yeah. This is a sample. This sample, I'll be upgrading it with the latest version. Okay. All right. So see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone.